Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeDesign Academy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a brand new feature we've just added to the Theme or Style Guide panel, which is addition of font customization. This feature allows you to instantly switch between different font styles for the entire page or website on CodeDesign Builder. And in this demo, I'll show you how it works. If you've been using CodeDesign for a while, you already know that every AI-generated website comes with multiple theme options. For example, when you generate a web page, you typically get versions in light and dark modes, or with different color palettes. Now we've taken that a step further. We've added font customization to the themes, so you can now experiment with different fonts directly within the theme options. This saves you a ton of time as you don't have to manually change the settings for every text element in the website. To get started, you'll first need to generate and save a website. Once it's saved, you'll see the Publish option become available on the header section like this. To access the Theme or Style Guide panel, go to the footer and click here on the Themes tab. This brings up the entire theme panel on the right sidebar. Here, you'll see options like Classic Light, Classic Dark, Modern Light, Modern Dark, Playful Light, and Playful Dark. Let's go through them one by one. Classic Light uses a traditional, clean font. When you switch to Classic Dark, it keeps the same font, but applies a dark theme. The same logic applies to Modern Light and Modern Dark. These come with a bolder font style. Now, when we switch to the playful themes, both light and dark versions use more fun and energetic fonts that give your website a more casual feel. Here's the exciting part. You can now fully customize the fonts used across your web page. You'll notice two font options: primary font and secondary font. The primary font is applied to headings and title elements across the page. The secondary font is used for body text and paragraph content. So let's say you want to change the font for all the headings for this playful dark theme. First, make sure the theme is selected and then click on the primary font option, and you'll see a font selection panel like this. Right now, I have the font Fredoka selected. Let's change that to the font Klee. Once selected, as you see here, CodeDesign Builder automatically updates all the heading fonts across the entire website that you have generated. Easy, right? Now let's change the secondary font. As I said earlier, the secondary font is used for the page's general text and paragraphs like this About paragraph here. We'll follow the same process here. From the font drop-down, I'll go ahead and pick a playful font. I'm going with this font, which is Playwright DE Grunt. As you can see here, the entire website now reflects the new fonts for both headings and paragraph content. It's a super easy way to give your site a fresh, personalized look, just by switching up the fonts. That's all for this video. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to let us know through comments, support chats, or CodeDesign forum. Until next time, see ya and keep building.